We also, every week on the podcast, try to pick people's brains, ask them just to pick a five-a-side team, players you've played with or coached over the years. That's a broad choice. Who'd be in your five-a-side team?
Okay, so I know the rule is I can't pick international players.
Why not? Yeah,
so,
it does narrow it down a bit.
Yeah, otherwise I just pick the team now. But I'm going to break the rule on this one in goal. I'll have Neville Southall, the world's best goalkeeper. Neville Southall. I'm then going to have to go with a centre-half I played with at Watford, called Keith Millen.
Brilliant.
He's now manager. I think he's up at Carlisle at the minute. He was such a calming influence and a good player. He was the 5. He was the 6. I was the 5. I used to win the headers. He used to get in the ball and play. But yeah, he was a very good player. Am I in the team? Am I part of the 5?
No.
Oh, thanks. Okay. Steve Palmer, another centre back at Watford, who I played with. We had that 2 consecutive promotions, and he was very good again. The middle of the park, I'm going to go on the left, Peter Kennedy, Irish international. Tommy Mooney is the centre forward.
Okay.
And the right back, Darren Baisley.
Brilliant. I love this. Because we haven't allowed internationals. Fantastic.
No internationals. You put me right on the spot here. No internationals. So I've just gone back to my Watford team that we've got 2 promotions. Darren Baisley.
Tom Wally coaching everybody.
Tom Wally was part of all those. Yeah, he had an influence on all those players. Yeah. How many is that? 5.
That's 5. I think so. Yeah.
We got there.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. Love it.
Pleasure.